Hi, it's Anthony here. What I want to do with this video is share with you a trading strategy that you can use to find your own opportunities. So I post these in here every day. Pound yen, set a momentum sink, buy signal, or buy alert for a bullish opportunity. But we're just waiting for the next buy signal. Look at them. So, I mean, you can see here we've got a breakout. It was range bound, and I was looking for a buy signal to get involved. This is how easy it is to trade this VWAP and Volume Profile system. The chart might look complicated, but it's actually not. You see this line here. If this line is trending up, we're looking for a range breakout. That's it. Simple as that. How do we get involved with that? All you need to do is scrunch up the chart, 15 minutes if you like, take that out and start off with that. Just draw a couple of lines, right? We're going to be here. I'll show you how easy it is to trade this. I'll hit replay mode right there, and I'll show you what we got. I use Trendlines. That's the first thing I do. So we can see that this is clearly in a trend, and the other thing that I'm looking for is higher highs and higher lows. That's the first step. Do we have it? Yep. Okay. Well, not here, but from this point here, we get a higher high and a pullback higher low. I'm looking for that. 15-minute chart. Okay, so now we bring on the indicators. We start with volume profile. See this cluster, the volume profile cluster here? What we want to see is that price is pushing up and leaving this cluster behind. So ideally we're looking for the break, and it leaves this behind, okay? The breakout of that. And what that is it's telling us that this is in a trend. We've got the current day, the current week, the previous day, the previous week. So we want to know that price is pushing up and leaving all of that behind. It's as simple as that. No, I mean, you can get a little bit more complex and throw this in if you like and have a look at the last day in the last week if you want. Well, the last days are blue. Okay, see all the if we take the volume profile out, see how the previous days, are kind of left behind, and we're pushing up above them. So that's that. But the volume profile gives you that. It gives you these levels. So what we're looking for, it's a value range or a value area breakout. A value area, as in this is trading back and forth between the value area high and the value area low through here. And you can see it on the volume profile. You've got that previous day, and then you've got today. There's two of them. Okay, it's there. So this is institutional activity through here when you see it range bound like that. Bit of a manipulation under. All right, and then we're looking for that. Okay, so that's essentially what we're looking for. We want to see it trending, and we want to see it range bound, and then it's got to hold up above this trend, and we just simply bring on this indicator here. And what we need to see is this blue line trending up. That's the first thing. That's really important. Once we establish that our momentum line is heading in the right direction, we want to see the weekly VWAP, the monthly VWAP, and the daily VWAP, blue one, trending up. That's it. We're moving up above this volume profile cluster. That's all we're looking for. It's really, really simple. If all of that stacks up, we want a breakout of the current day value area high. And this will actually move with price. If it's volume, it's traded volume, that'll move around. But at some stage that'll get left behind. So we can set an alert for that. Now I can't do it because we're in replay mode. It won't let me set the alert. So that's okay. So if we just play that, just watch how price breaks. See that yellow line. That yellow line is a yearly VWAP. See this? These alerts will actually go off in the alert log. You can set these alerts. See this one here? That's the break above our red and orange, the point of control. So we've got 4 of them. You can see 2 of them clustered here. There's one there, and then there's one under here. These are the daily and weekly. Today, yesterday, this week, last week. Volume profile, point of control. So you want the break and retest of that. That's it. It's as simple as that. Same thing over and over again. So you would take this up triangle signal here. That's actually a break of, well, we're getting signals when we break these levels here as well, but you will take that trade. Long position, right there on that one. Okay, stop under the previous low. We'll have to readjust our trend line. Stop under the trend line. Okay, or previous low. Or under the red levels here, point of control. Go for 3, 4R. I would look to take partial profits off at 1R, and then that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. Look for ranging price action and look for all of that stuff that I talked about to be in place, and then when it breaks, you take it. Now, you can include this, and there's the buy signal there that you want. Not these. Don't take them. Okay, take the buy signal that occurs after you break out above these red levels, red and orange, and there's the other one down here. There's 2 of them. They're nested there. There's 1 there, and then there's 1 there. There's 4 of them. So we need to get above these orange and red and orange levels. Take the first signal above these levels. That's it. That's the strategy. VWAP, volume profile, and diagonal trend lines. Volume profile gives you horizontal, value areas, support and resistance. And we take that trade now at 1R. If you close, say, 50, 60%, well, actually, there's another signal here. Look, this one. Look at the breakout. Okay, see down here, right there. It's giving you a breakout signal. So you can throw that in there as well. They'll go off over here on the, I've turned off the alerts. There's none there, but that'll go off in here, and just when it fires, that's your entry point. So then you've taken 50% off, and you move your stop loss up. Just follow it. Just keep it under the diagonal line. So if price is here, your stop loss just goes under that diagonal. Follow it. There's another buy signal. There's 2 of them. So you re-enter. Okay, so this one's already profitable regardless. Take the next buy signal. At 1R, close 50%, 60%, take the next buy signal. All right, and build your position. This is all profitable once you've closed. This is 50% secured already, so all of these are now in the money. Move your stop loss. Well, you can actually do this. There's a new thing going on here, right? So just keep that stop loss under there. Follow it. There's another buy signal. There's another buy signal. Just keep taking 60% out. Move your stop loss up and take these until, well, that's it. So that's how you use our system. Keep it simple and follow everything that I've mentioned. When it's overextended, look for the pullback. Let's see what we get. Okay, guys, join on my website. Well, there's the Gold EA if you're interested in that. That's all there. But join VIP, and there's a special on. This is only $29.95 a month if you open an account with Fusion Markets using my link. In fact, that will give you the Telegram as well, suited to auto copy. But, it's all there on my website. Have a good look. AnthonyFX.com, join VIP. So with that, I look forward to seeing you in VIP and enjoy this journey. And as I said earlier on, start off simple. Just run with the ideas that I post in here. Pound yen, set a momentum sink buy alert, take the next. So momentum sink here, 3 dots, add alert, momentum sink, buy signal. That's it. Oh, and you want that once per bar. Close if you like, and then create it. Everything is here for you. Make a difference with that. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.